Oh, hello everyone. We are back on the 1968 Triumph TR250 and going to work on the hood. I've decided to work on the back half of it. I've already sanded the epoxy primer with 80 grit so that I can get good adhesion with my polyester filler, and I've put some here in the corner. This was the most damaged area where the area had given up fatigue from the constant opening and closing from the corner. And this is pretty much my day. Spread it out, get the longboard. This particular type of repair, a power sander really doesn't really save any time, I don't feel. With the different curves and all this body features that are put into these hoods, this is what makes them look so cool and be so desirable. Just pretty much got to do it by hand. Here I've moved on to the next section. I'm kind of doing it in segments, working my way across and blending the two repairs together. Actually, three major ones at the time we get done, but I get one pretty close and then move on to the next one. Here I've moved over to the passenger's corner. The hood has minor distortion around all of the inner braces. It could be from the front end collision that it had. It could be original from the stampings. But there are little areas that are low that are around all the braces. Since we're going to make it all nice and shiny with a clear coat finish, we're going to make it nice and straight. Here's kind of an overview of the work I've done for most of the day. As you see, we have the polyester repair filler over a large portion of the car, but as you can see here, it is very thin. These are areas where the steel is poking through. I'm just taking out small imperfections. All those dark gray areas is the sheet metal. But by doing it this way, we make a nice straight panel. And at the end of the day, I've got it pretty well where I want it. Here we can see that all the areas are feathered out real nicely. And tomorrow I will start on the front portion. Then a few heavy coats of polyester heavy high build primer and some guide coat for the finish blocking. So once again, we'll say thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next edition. And there's Tim. He's out here hustling away. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.